Welcome to the video tutorial on how to switch PageGate's run style from an application to a Windows service. PageGate has two basic methods of operating. It can be run as an application or as a Windows service. Typically speaking, we definitely recommend running PageGate as a Windows service, as this removes the program's logon dependence. This means that someone could restart the system and forget to log into Windows, but that won't matter to PageGate. The program will run itself as soon as Windows starts. To switch the run style, you'll first want to find the shortcut for the PageGate admin, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the UAC, please allow this process to continue. Once you have the PageGate admin open, expand the Programs section on the left and click on Settings beneath it. On the right-hand side, in the Run PageGate As section, select Windows Service. Click Apply. Now, when you click Apply, you'll be prompted for credentials. Leave them blank and click Apply again. When you do, you should see that it begins to switch the run style. Once switching run styles goes away, you'll want to open the Windows Services list. To open the Windows Services list, you can either go into the Administrative Tools in Windows, then open Services, or you can bring up a run line and enter services.msc. Once you have the services open, find the PageGate service. Right-click on the PageGate service and select Start. From this point forward, PageGate will now automatically start itself anytime you reboot the computer. This concludes the video tutorial on how to switch PageGate's run style from an application to a Windows service. For more information, including how to configure PageGate to send and receive text messages, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.